Welcome everyone to Edge 2022, 24. Faux right in the beginning. Please forgive me. It's a late morning. But thank you for showing up. In spite of everything that is happening in the world, we are all here together to spend time with each other. And I deeply value, we all in Edelgive deeply value the time that you all are spending here. It's important to touch base a little bit on what happened yesterday and why we're all here and why the Avengers. You know, I begin with what Aparna very beautifully left us with, the concept of love and desire, and how we need to do something with more love and less desire. We also heard Uma talk about the fact that we are so busy trying to combat what we don't like in this world that we forget to have the North Star as what we want to make this world look like. And the whole day was about journeys of people who showed up alone. Because, yes, we all have to collectivize. Yes, we all have to come together. And there is power in all of us coming together. But the fact is that for everyone who's standing together with each other, they are alone. They left from where they were alone. So the journey begins alone. And yesterday was honoring the journeys that started alone and then came together. In the last few years, I've had the good fortune of meeting many young, bright people who have walked into, issues of social justice, have become participants of the development sector. And one such very young person was lamenting to me about 2 3 years ago, saying that abhi movements nahi hote, you know we don't make, like, there's no movements. अभी तो हमें पसंद नहीं आता है कुछ, हम ऐसे जाके चौराहे पे खड़ के we don't stand and we don't, the movements are not happening, and that frustration was there. And he said, what do you think movements are? Like, what do you think goes into making movements and making collective action? You really think Gandhi decided आज हम डांडी मार्च शुरू करेंगे and started walking and the whole country came? Movements are, of course, born out of deep desire to go after something. But they happen because there are logistics covered. There is fundraising that is done. There are like-minded people who are communicated with. The tribe is collected. Movements don't happen because people just want something. Movements happen because action makes it happen. And action is typically not romantic and adventurous. Action is not about jumping in and saving it. Action is really writing those emails and making those Excel sheets and making those guest lists and saying who are our people and how do we find them and how do we begin action alone. So the fact that movements are not romantic, movements are hard work. And in today's time, when we try to find our space in this amazing world of development and social justice and find what we need to do, we also have to come with the first question: what are we doing with what we have? And what are we doing with the positions of power that we are in? Yesterday, we spoke about solo journeys, but today is dedicated to those who have institutionalized some of this. Because it's important. Structure and institution is also very important because structure and institution also are tools to improve. And these structures only work as well as the people who make it work. So today, we are going to be speaking to some of those incredible leaders who lead these institutions, who are playing their enormous part in the journey of what this country will look like even in the future. And to begin this, I have the absolute privilege of inviting two fantastic leaders of this sector. Mr. Siddharth Sharma, we have been waiting to hear from you as CEO of Tata Trust. Been waiting to hear from Tata Trust, one of the most incredible foundations who's been working on nation building for more than a century. And we're eager to hear from you, sir. And Anand Sinha from Packard Foundation, the sensitivity with which this foundation works around critical issues in this country has been legendary, and we've been, again, eager to hear from you. But to hear both of them together, steered by Vidya, to see how different kinds of capital come together with common intention. Because remember, Gandhi and Tagore didn't always agree, and they didn't have to. But the common goal was Swaraj. And for that one common goal, they came together in spite of everything. And with that beautiful thought, I invite Mr. Sharma, Anand, and Vidya on stage to begin the first discussion. Please give them a big round. Today's dive in the last 2 days, and we are very, very excited to see you here in spite of the venue change. Thank you for making it so seamless for all of us. So, before we even begin, I know I like, let's make some noise in this auditorium just to wake ourselves up. All right? Yes! The best part of Edge for oh, louder. Okay. Aparna says we clap louder, so we must clap louder. Come on. Good job. Okay, so the best part of Edge, best part for the entire team that puts it together is meeting all of you, right? Because we interact through Excel sheets and emails throughout the year, and COVID kind of disturbed it. There was a gap for more time, but the most satisfying part is to be able to see everyone beyond the Excel sheets and the reports and the conversations that happen on Zoom, and also to see all of you interact with each other. Because as people who, like yesterday we alluded, sit in Bombay offices, um, collaboration is a myth until we see people, meet people, understand each other. And through Grow and otherwise, what we understood is how rare are these opportunities where we can come together and just have these conversations. So thank you for being active participants and making this a very rich experience for all of us. Today is a lighter day. Today is a half a day because all of you have to travel. And we have two sessions which are more to do with behind the scenes, organizing, how things need to be put together, because everything that we do on field needs to be supported by good structures, good organizations. Otherwise, it's difficult for that work to live beyond us and our organizations and our limited geographies. So there's a lot of importance of good structure, strategy. As much as it's tiring, as much as it's a burden, good processes, good structures, and good organizations help us do more good. So that's really what we are going to be sitting and thinking about today with our partners who've joined us. We also, yesterday, one of the highlights, apart from the many highlights for me personally, was that through Socrates, we could also hear a lot from you. And we're taking your words very, very seriously. But again, we would like to have it in writing with you. So a team of two is going to pass a piece of paper not each one of you will get paper and pen. And between now and the setup on the stage, if you can write your one question, to us, and we also will be, deliberating with a couple of well-meaning funders to respond to it more thoughtfully instead of just responding on mic. Right? So if everyone please write your question, that gives us a lot to think about and to act on as we proceed in the next few months. Right? So yes, to begin what is going to happen today, I set a little context. Even before Grow, I referred yesterday that we came across this statistic that 99% of the foundations in this country get access only to 1% of the philanthropic capital, and only 1% NGOs are able to raise so much money, and that gave rise to a lot of thought. And at that time, Britspan had approached us because they, were also sitting with a group of very, very thoughtful funders thinking, what is this disparity of funding looking like? And they came to us with a beautiful concept called Pay What It Takes. And some of you are connected to this initiative, and 2-3 years have gone into just speaking to, I think, hundreds of organizations and understanding what are the true costs and what are organizations underfunded for. And through this journey, they've also taken all that data and gone to funder communities to evangelize this concept. Today we have two very, very invested participants from Britspan, Shashank and Aditi, who are joining us to take you through to some of them. And also in the last 2 years in Grow, we have so many of you using this fund to do what you wanted to do. And a representative from one of you, Rubina from Safa, she's also going to join us here to enrich this conversation. So while the stage is set up and they join us, please put down your questions and we will begin the day. Yeah, thank you. This is what we called the open segment, and to ensure that we make it sharp, because we do have lunch and I know a lot of people do have travels post this. We also went through the a brief exercise this morning कि आप सबसे एक सवाल मिले ताकि we understand what is really the most common top 3 questions. I will be addressing 3. There are 92 questions that we have. Yes. तो हम ये so what I want to tell you is कि ये आधा घंटा जो है, we will be having a conversation. The unaddressed questions are coming back home with us. They are not an exercise for this conference or this meeting. लेकिन हमारी यही मेहनत होगी कि whatever we are hearing from you, we take back and we try to do our best with it. And we also set expectations that are fairly practical and not over-promise and not and maybe over-deliver, लेकिन not over-promise. तो आज के जो 3 सवाल निकले हैं from the excitement morning is that number 1 is how can we partner with Edelgive in the future? Number 2 is what is next after Grow? And number 3 is can we provide support for OD and CB even after Grow? Right? Thank God. So I can take the last question first. हमारा ये intention है that CB and OD journey with you continues. There is a hub that has been created, which is largely meant for that. You are our partners, okay? And fund. And मैंने ऐसे ही नहीं कहा था yesterday that Grow has succeeded because you responded. Okay, हम तो जाके हर जगह promise कर रहे थे with no data, no analysis, no precedence. By the gut feel that trust begets trust, and जो sector इतना मेहनत कर रहा है, when we come together, we will also honor each other's commitments. So जो भी हुआ है Grow में, that has come honestly. I mean, it has come because you responded to the calls, you responded, you came, you took what you wanted, you gave feedback. And that is why Grow happened. When Grow was conceptualized, ये इसलिए, and मैंने ये 10 बारी, I think some of you may recollect even at the the inception call, जब पहली बार हम call पे आए थे, when I said एक तो ये word gratitude निकाल दो, because एक selection process है. It's an embarrassing thing to do a selection process, but it is what it is. And इतनी मेहनत से जब हम एक process में आते हैं, तो gratitude नहीं, joy होना चाहिए. Okay, you are grateful to be here. We are grateful that you are here. But I think it's better that we are all very happy to be with each other. And we are happy that the last 2-3 years, for whatever ups and downs, we have navigated it. And today as a collective, we have come up with something to show the world. And for me, the top things are that small and mid-sized organizations need this attention, need to be given capacity building and OD grant. So that journey with us is going to go on. You are a part of Grow. This is the first Grow cohort, and you will always be a part of Grow. जितनी हमारे पास intelligence है, हमारी ये मेहनत होगी that we keep passing it on to you. We keep hearing from you. You already have our email ID. You have met the whole team. Please हमसे interact करना मत छोड़िए. In the next few months, we will also be, monitoring again makes it very different. हमारा interaction आपसे ये इसलिए होगा because we need to communicate to the world continuously that you are continuing beyond Grow also. Because the whole idea is that आप में इतना दम है आपको रिसोर्सेज की ज़रूरत है. और after something like Grow also, this journey of growth for you goes on, and we will always be there watching and supporting there, with you. So please do give us your feedback again. So I hope I've answered that question, that your CBOD journey continues with us. हमारी मेहनत ये रहेगी कि relevant information आप तक पहुँचे, facilitation आप तक पहुँचे. आप अपनी रिक्वेस्ट हमको भेजते रहिए. जो हमसे नहीं होगा हम हाथ जोड़ के माफ़ी मांग लेंगे, और जो हमसे होगा वो हम ज़रूर करेंगे. All right? So that another thing that we will be doing is this is something that we still have to put together, so please bear with us in the initial few weeks. Every maybe once in 2 months, we will put out a communication to the sector. This is something we had tried in a pilot earlier. We will have in one page 5 slots really of good information, or not information, good news, good action that you would like to tell the world. Okay, we will give 5 such spaces every once in 2 months, which हम इसको आगे बढ़ाएंगे, इस इंफॉर्मेशन को हजारों तक पहुंचाएंगे. आप जैसे भी, whether it's an accomplishment in a school, whether it's any rescue mission that has worked well, anything that you would like to share as good news to this world, share with us. We will share with the world, like as a collective. All right, so the third thing that we are doing, again, ये over promise नहीं है, इस पे बहुत मेहनत हो रही है. विजया की टीम, अतुल की टीम, Grow team is working very hard to see that as Grow comes to a conclusion, we are also able to give you something which is a collective of material that becomes your biggest enabler for further fundraising, further partnership building. बिकॉज हमने देखा है कि आपकी कहाँ से कहाँ तक आप पहुँचे हो, उसको सही तरीके से कम्युनिकेट करना, उसको हाउ डू यू मेक इट समथिंग दैट बिकम्स योर एविडेंस फॉर ग्रोथ एज यू have more conversations. So we're trying to design something like this in the next few months. That will also be something that will come to you from Edelgive, which all of you can hopefully use for further collaboration. So the answer to the other thing is you will always be engaged with Edelgive until you would not like to be. So I hope you always want to be want to be with Edelgive. Finally, Edelgive is a foundation जो अपना हमारा तो है पैसा, लेकिन हमारा फंड जो है वो फाइनाइट है. हमारी ability to create growth happens when we are able to raise money. All right, and you know what that means, which means that our ability to make grows is also dependent on the success of this grow. You have ensured the first grow succeeds, and that is why we will keep this mission going. But the fact is that the more you communicate, we will be able to place you in places where more fundraising happens. But when will the next grow happen, and will the next grow happen? It will depend on many factors. Is there an intention to make grows? Yes. Is there an intention to work with as many hundreds and thousands of NGOs in this country? Yes. कैसे करने वाले हैं? I wish I knew today. Okay. I just know that we have a beautiful team that works hard, and we have partners like you who respond, and I think that's a good thing. And then we have, honestly, in Tata Trust and in Aparna, we have angels who come together and who really teach us more about co-creation and collaboration than we would have ever done alone. And so we want these tribes to increase. These tribes of people जिनको मेहनत करनी है, जिनको काम करना है, and if we just find each other's places. So I don't know if I'm digressing or if I'm answering your questions. Please ask more questions. But the last message really from me would be that and to what Shashank was even trying to say really, we come to conferences not to raise money. We come to conferences to find our people. And our people come in all shapes and sizes, and some of them are funders. All right, so that's because sometimes हमारे सबसे बड़े enablers के पास पैसा नहीं होता है, but वो हमें वो lift दे जाते हैं जो हमें और कहीं से नहीं मिलता. तो find your tribe, find your tribe, because Edelgive भी tribe से ही बना है. नहीं तो honestly Tata Trust का size और हमारे size में कोई तुलना ही नहीं है, हमारी expertise में भी नहीं है. But the fact is, their grace and the grace of my young team to come together and do something together is what makes bigger things happen. So I would just leave. That's that's really, if there's a message that I'd like to give, is find your tribe, and we're all seeking. So find your people and make bigger things happen. And that's really what I would like to say. And yes, any more questions? I would love to answer. Unless I have spellbound so much that we can just go and eat lunch. Actually, there are no questions. I think. Oh, please, yes.
I was waiting for somebody else to say this, but I think one of the flaws, I know this has been a very happy fest where we've all talked about the good things, but I think one of the flaws with the EDGE conference has been the lack of opportunities for the cohorts to actually meet each other. It's been mostly coming from the stage. And I think that what many of us were looking forward to was, who are we all? And could we have not organized in the different zones and see who are those 25 organizations and how can we collaborate together going forward, rather than listening to a lot of important stuff coming from the stage, more opportunities for us to talk to each other, to find our tribe.
I 100% agree. And this was a huge decision that we had to really make. We are hoping that these convenings happen as we go forward. Honestly, in the ideal world, and I will say this at the risk of also telling you, the number of things that didn't happen that we had wanted Grow to work. In our ideal world, we will begin fundraising, capacity building shuru hogi, and we will do these little convenings across the country where, organizations can come together. Honestly, it's a bandwidth issue that we were unable to pull that off. It is something that is one of the regrets that we couldn't pull off. Second is in the edge piece, and I will tell you again, the key thing that happened is a lack of enough space that we could engineer to do these breakouts. But by the time we did get the event, the schedule started happening. It's as actually non-strategic as that on how those breakout sessions did not happen. We wanted everyone to come together and we wanted to convene, but yes, we did not plan or we did not blend that in where people could meet in clusters and have those conversations. But we're hoping post this we are able to do some things, and small clusters can be formed this way. But I agree with you.
Just to echo what actually Joe said, I think this conference has been good, but I was wondering, in fact, that was one of my questions I'd put down into that little jar, because I think there's a lot of wonderful capacity here, and I think if we can actually collaborate together, and maybe Edelkiv could support us, where, for instance, an organization like the Teacher Foundation, we are very good at capacity building organizations that work in education, because that's the work we do. But maybe we could definitely draw help and support from organizations that are great at fundraising or OD development, etc. So I think this is a great forum to connect with each other, network with organizations, and so that the Grow Fund was actually organizational capacity building, but now we can actually take action in the field together, since we know each other.
Absolutely. And I really hope to hear a lot of that happening, because this is where actually uh, you take over. These are the 100. Wherever you need help, of course, we're there, making connections and all of that. But now that there is a certain amount of interaction that happened, and not maybe as much as there could have been, and as many breakouts but the fact is now we know there is a list that is always there. There are people who come on Zoom calls. They're there. I think seeking out each other is going to also be very important, because one thing I hope everybody's been taking away as the sessions build up is there is a wealth of information that is resting within us. A lot of the org capacity building piece can be resolved by just exchanging information from within each other. And that will mean opening ourselves up to even vulnerabilities. Also letting others see that, we know this much. And that is why, for example, I find the whole the way the team in Tata Trust and Edelgive engaged, remarkable, because it means that you're also opening up to the vulnerability that this is as much as I understand, and where can you add and where do I lend in? But that is uncomfortable. And what happens, and this is a struggle that we have as funders, and you may want to correct me if I'm wrong. When it comes from Edelgive, that here are the four of you and you do this, it also becomes with that burden of prescription. All right. Then it becomes like, oh, the Edelgive ne bola hai, so let's do this and let's meet and figure it out. Some of this needs to also be initiated by you, and where you need support, you have to ask us. But this is where the fine line of prescription versus support becomes and because again there is that dynamic of being a funder, we also err on the side of caution on these things. Like, who are we to tell you X knows better than you and Y and figure this out? But there is, all of the 100 is out there on the list, and we would happily promote anyone who wants to, even if you have like you said, you would like to engage in capacity building of organizations in education, even amplifying this to us and we can put that out. So that journey cannot end, is what this engagement cannot end with the Grow Fund's financial liability. And that is what I would urge you. Wherever you feel you have a skill that can work for everyone, tell us, we'll amplify it. Wherever you are looking for a skill, tell us, we'll amplify that. But that means we also have to be okay with saying that I'm seeking this.
नमस्कार। यह कार्यक्रम जैसा ही एडलगिव ने बताया था वैसा ही पूरा किया। जीवन में पहली बार मैंने देखा कि टू द टाइम, जो स्मार्ट होता है कि टाइम पर परफेक्ट कैसे पूरा किया जाए प्रोग्राम को, आपने सिखाया है, एडलगिव ने मुझे दिया है। आज तक पहली बार मौका मिला मुझे ऐसे प्रोग्राम में भाग लिया। और दूसरी बात आपने ठीक कहा कि आपने सपोर्ट किया, अपना रिस्पॉन्स किया है। आपने रहने व्यवस्था कहीं नहीं किया रात का, लेकिन फिर भी लोग समय पर आ गए। एक बार रिस्पॉन्स मैंने समझा कि मैं चाहूंगा ऐसे कार्यक्रम वो होते रहें और इसको हम लोग बढ़ाते रहें। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू।
Yeah, hi. Yeah, thank you. First of all, I think fantastic 2-3 days, and special thanks to all the logistics team. Sure, it would have been great thing. So, as you know, I think you were talking to us about capturing our stories and putting out to the world. I think the whole process of Grow Fund, what happened in the last year, like we spoke to the funders who came on stage, and the whole process that you went through, from Edelgive Foundation. I think that's a fantastic process for others to replicate as well. Like, we need, not just in India, I think everywhere else, things like this, like Grow Funds, where funding 100 organization in a context like India, it's a humongous effort. And it'll be great if in the next few months, when you sort of settle it all well, just the process of how it happened, and putting it out. Look, we need more Edelgive foundations to come together and create more Grow Funds. Just that process documentation, putting out to the world, I think that in itself is it's a great thing, because it's not easy. And I think all what we learned apart from our journey is also your journey, right? I mean, the learnings, and I remember very vividly yesterday when you said, when you started, you really don't know where it's gonna go. And I think that in itself was a great leap of faith. So that, I think, tomorrow if someone wants to take this risk, it's okay to take this risk, and so that more Grow Funds happen. And I'm sure, I think something like this, if it happens in Sub-Saharan Africa, where we can actually share these learnings there, it's fantastic. So kudos for this effort, but let's, I think, put it out to the world. I think it's even more fantastic.
Thank you. There is actually a process documentation we're doing with that intention, also simplifying. And I was looking at the time, because if I do have time after this, then in 5 minutes, I'll tell you how it came together, because I do believe there is a way. But of course, a lot of things have to align for it. But if we have time, I will share it in 5 minutes. And then, yes, we intend to put out this intelligence into the sector, not just for more funders to run collaboratives, but more institutions to run collaboratives. It could be you, if you would like to start a Grow Fund or something, your version of a Grow Fund that works for you. When we had conceptualized, we didn't conceptualize for one Grow Fund, because the idea was not to use COVID to make a pooled fund. And the least, like the most uninteresting indicator of Grow Fund is that we gave 100 grants. That's the most uninteresting for us. It was what that worked. So yes, we would also like to share and the intention is to share, and that all of this will start coming out. And if I have 5 minutes, I will run through something.
Sure.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. I think after this we'll come on this side. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Rashmi from Agni in Uttarakhand. So thank you for this lovely conference.
No, take it ahead.
Closer? Okay. So I just have one suggestion which I felt. I think a little more rural representation on stage would have been helpful. और दूसरा मैं हिंदी में थोड़ा कहना चाह रही थी कि मुझे लगा कि शायद सारा कंटेंट लगभग इंग्लिश में डिलीवर्ड था, तो हिंदी का बैलेंस या ट्रांसलेशन यूजफुल रहता, तो टेक अवे बहुत होता।
Yeah.
और यहाँ के ग्रुप से कुछ वहाँ पार्टिसिपेशन भी बहुत अच्छा रहता,
Yeah.
क्योंकि फंडर्स थे, गांव के बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स हैं, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स हैं, वो डायलॉग थोड़ा सा शायद।
No, thank you, thank you. It's well taken. It's something we have heard since yesterday, and already had small कुछ छोटी discussions भी इन पे हुई है, और language के बारे में तो हमने internally भी बहुत debate किया था, and that's enough. But yeah, well taken. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So this question is regarding the hub. You already mentioned about the hub. So if there is any continuity about the hub platform, I believe that all the questions that Joe and you raised regarding the cross learning. So the whole intention of the hub was to have a cross learning platform. So there's a question regarding the hub, like are there any existing methods or ways wherein we can communicate with all the hundreds on the Grow Hub? Like, are there NGO profiles made there? So there's one thing that I contributed in as a dialogue, the monthly dialogue. Like, there are some, what is the interesting thing that has happened in your organization? And that's how the dialogue initiates. That's excellently done, and probably not all of them are contributing in that. But I believe that if we want to take away something from here, the hub is something which we all can focus. And if uh, there is a platform which would help us connect frequently and easily on the hub, there would be nothing better than that. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. And I think our team should also get in touch with you. ऐसे कोई भी ideas हैं जिनको आपको लगता है कि बेहतर कर सकते हैं, our team, you know already all the Spocks in the team, Parul है, Dwayne है, and Atul, everyone is here, if we're moving around. Just leave your coordinates, write to us, because again, we can just make it better with you.
Hi, Nakma. Thank you. I think the audience would know there are 100+ organization who's not part of Grow, and I'm one of them. So I think it's a brilliant observation, and there is always scope for improvising, which you have already brilliantly taken it up. But the way I was thinking, you got Dronacharya and you got Arjuna in making. But
I'm sorry, I missed what you
there
said.
is a Dronacharya and there is a Arjuna in making, but there is also Karna who's observing it. So thank you for the Edelgift to offering this platform to have somebody who's not part of the Grow. And the way I'm looking at it, it's brilliant that you want to complete this journey of growth where you have provided them Grow, and now next they have to add the TH, to them so that this journey continues. So congrats to Edelgift Foundation and the team. It's been a great journey.
Thank you,
Thank you.
thank you, thank you very much.
सबसे पहले शुक्रिया कि मैं इस ग्रो की पार्ट मैं मार्च तक तो हूँ, उसके लिए मैं तहे दिल से सारे ग्रो को शुक्रिया। और मुझे फ़क्र है इस बात की कि मैं जिस क्षेत्र से आती हूँ, लोग बाहर से जाके काम करते, वहाँ से लोग निखर के बहुत कम आते। आज अगर इस मंच पे हूँ तो ये एडलगिफ्ट का बहुत बड़ा सहयोग है, जो हमारे जैसे ग्रास रूट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, हमारे जैसे वुमेन हेडेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को इस मंच पे लाके खड़ा किया। और जो हमको सपोर्ट मिला है इसका, हमें जो सपोर्ट मिला है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेवलपमेंट पर, आज मुझे फ़क्र है कि जिस अंजाम के लिए मुझे पैसा मिला, मैंने उसे हद तक कामयाब हुई। आज हर चीज़ में, चाहे वो फाइनेंस हो या फिर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन हो, मुझे बहुत खुशी है इस बात की कि मुझे मौका मिला और मैंने काम किया। और मेरे पूरी प्रयास रहेगी कि मैं और कहत से बेहतर उस ट्राइबल क्षेत्र में मैं काम करूं। शुक्रिया तहे दिल से।
शुक्रिया।
Hi Nagba. So I would also like to thank you for being very gracious hosts, especially to the non-Grow partners and inviting us in the first place. It was a great learning for us as observers, as he mentioned also. So I would just like to share one reflection of just the previous session which we had on the climate and gender lens. So my reflection is that when we think of gender and climate, there is one very important indicator which actually combines both, which is culture. Because culture, like women, are the upholders of the culture, and environment. If you see the climate, if you see Indian culture, if you go back to our culture roots, it was green. It was completely green. All the issues, environmental issues, which have come are like a gift from the West. As you can, the plastic bottles, Bisleri, all that used and through culture, that all came. So if we go back to our roots, if we go back to our culture, so that is a very important indicator. So I'll give a small example. Like we work with entrepreneurs. Like they're making monj baskets. So this is a tradition which is taught by the grandmothers, to their daughter-in-laws and to their children, and it gets passed down through the women. So this is the culture. And Monj, if you see, is a very environment-friendly product. It's like made from the local grass, and they make baskets out of it. So it's a substitute of plastic, and they have a culture of reusing it. So if we have culture as a indicator, then you would find organizations who are working for culture would be gender inclusive and environment inclusive.
Thank you. And maybe we should, the team can just talk to you during lunch, and just like I said, lunch पे तो जिन्होंने बात करनी हो प्लीज कीजिए. आपके पास email IDs हैं और हमारा coordinates हैं. इसके बाद भी ये बातचीत होती रहेगी. So just let's have that conversation, because I think it's a very valid point. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Mabel. I'm from iPartner India. So one feedback that I would like to give, before that, thank you so much for the conference. And especially the session we had yesterday, the group session, that was very interesting for me. One feedback is something that I missed out on, could be the lack of time, or could be too many people to interact with. I think I missed out on interacting with a lot more people from similar backgrounds, similar organizations working towards similar work, right? So I think one feedback would be is if we could have, in the next conference, if we could have a session where, I don't know if it could be beneficial, but if we could be grouped with people who are from the same, causes or working towards the same causes, so that we can all connect in a more efficient manner.
Thank you. We'll factor that in. We will. Yeah. Thank you.
Hi everybody. Hello. Hi everybody. These 3 days were wonderful. We are from Organization Swarg based at Prayagraj, and we have worked with CARE International, UNICEF, NI Nutrition International, TDH. But never in the last 25 years we knew the importance of OD. Thanks, Guru. Thanks for giving us this opportunity and giving us that insight where we can really grow. And the basic and the most important thing which was being neglected, now capacitated, and we are working with on the health and nutrition issues, on the issues of gender discrimination also with the TDS Germany. We are also working among folk artists across 18 states with almost 270,000 folk artists, just trying hard to save our culture, protect our folk art forms before it's too late. And GROW has undoubtedly given us this opportunity to showcase. And in the absence of CSR grants, especially for art and culture organizations. We look forward for your support in the future also. And this huge fusion energy which you have initiated, tap it on and please give us opportunity to work with you in the future also. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, मेरा नाम अमित बलोदी और कल एक फ्रेंड ने मुझे एक छोटा सा एक भजन का लिंक भेजा जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया और भजन की कुछ लाइंस हैं, आप लोगों ने सुना होगा कि ये चमक ये दमक फुलबन माँ महक सब कुछ सरकार तुम्ही से है। तो जब मैं गो की 2 साल की यात्रा को देख रहा था तो 2-4 लाइनें मैंने उससे रिलेट करने की कोशिश की जो मैं शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। ठीक है कि ये चमक ये दमक संस्थाओं की महक सब कुछ इडल गिव तुम्ही से है और ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल डेवलपमेंट अनरिस्ट्रिक्टेड फंड ग्रो फंड का उपहार तुम्ही से है। संस्थाओं का स्वास्थ्य बढ़िया हो, स्वयं के लिए भी कुछ पैसा हो, इस सब का ख्याल तुम्ही से है, सब कुछ सरकार तुम्ही से है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर सपोर्ट।
वैसे अभी हमारे साथी ने कुछ इसमें जोड़ दिया था, लेकिन मैं 3 लाइन में ही कहूँगा कि जो ग्रो फंड के अंतर्गत हमको जो लर्निंग मिली वो मैं 3 लाइन में कहूँगा। नंबर 1 कि हमारा स्वास्थ्य कैसा है ये देखने के लिए स्वतंत्रता आपने दिया कि हम खुद ही झांके उसको कैसा है, और बाद में फिर आपने कहा कि आपका स्वास्थ्य कैसा कितना ठीक हो गया वो आप खुद ही देख ले। तो ये जो स्वतंत्रता आपने दी वो बहुत सुंदर प्लेटफॉर्म था। और तीसरा कि इससे जो निर्माण हुआ, जो एक सोच निर्माण हुई, सबसे महत्व की बात मुझको लगती है कि इसमें जो सोच निर्माण हुई कि हमको अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का स्वास्थ्य निरंतर देखते रहना है, तभी हम लंबा काम कर पाएंगे। और हमको लगता है हर एक ने ये उदाहरण भी दिया है। कल जहाँ इंटरनेशनल सेंटर में डॉक्टर अंबेडकर जी के वहाँ आप देखिए महानता, काम की महानता कितनी है आपकी, लंबा आपका जीवन उतना महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है। और वही जो है वो हमको लगता है कि दूसरे लोगों ने भी यही संदेश दिया है कि स्वास्थ्य ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा तभी हम अच्छा काम कर पाएंगे। तो ग्रो ने जो स्वास्थ्य सोचने का सभी को अपने अपने स्तर पर एक मौका दिया, वो मुझको लगता है कि वो रणनीति एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण इस प्रोसेस में रही। ये मुझको बहुत अच्छा लगा। धन्यवाद।
बहुत 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 शुक्रिया। And if we are okay, I think we'll take one more question and then we'll you would like to. Acha, so we have 2 questions.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everyone. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू से दिस कि इतने दिन से मतलब मैं कल ही आई थी फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पर, बिकॉज ऑफ माई तबीयत मैं नहीं आ पाई थी फर्स्ट डे एंड आई एम नॉट एबल टू बी पार्टिसिपेटेड हेयर, बट इट वॉज रियली अमेजिंग मीटिंग यू ऑल। लाइक देर इज अ क्वेश्चन इन माई माइंड कि मतलब आई एम द आई थिंक यंगेस्ट वन हेयर एंड देर इज अ डाउट कि मैं कैसे बात करूँ किसी से, बिकॉज एक होता है ना कि लाइक आप सभी लोग बहुत बड़े बड़े हो एंड बीइंग अ वेरी यंगेस्ट, तो मेरे दिमाग में था कि किससे कैसे बात करूँ। फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम टेकिंग माइक अभी एंड तो मुझे लगा यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोगों के मन में सवाल चल रहा होगा कि यार कैसे बात करनी है या फिर कैसे एक कदम बढ़ाया जाए, बट इट वॉज रियली अमेजिंग कॉन्फ्रेंस। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी and yeah, I forgot to mention my name and organization. So I am from Manthan, Rajasthan, Ajmer, and we are working with the women night schools and also we are working for the children. Like हम लोग जो है हमारे जो क्या बोलते छोटा सा गांव है कोटरी, वहाँ पर जो वहाँ के बैकवर्ड एरियाज हैं, जैसे देयर आर सो मेनी कम्युनिटीज, बालगेरिया, काबेरिया, सो वी आर वर्किंग विद देम एंड हम उनके लिए कॉज उनकी उस पर वर्क पे करते हैं, कॉज पे वर्क करते हैं। एंड दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड। अगर कोई यहाँ पे कोलैबोरेशन के लिए ओपन होगा तो वी विल लव टू डू एंड या थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू। आपका आखिरी सवाल और फिर वी विल
So yeah, I don't have any questions, just a few comments. I think my name is Pallavi. I'm based in Gujarat. I think the Grow Fund has already been trailblazing. I mean, I see others have already initiated similar initiatives, and that's it makes, I think, me and all of us really proud to be part of this, trailblazing initiative along with Edelgive. And I agree, like you said, it should be more about joy rather than gratitude. The second thing, I think I agree fully that we need to actually network better with each other. I fully myself also feel I've not done adequately, understood what others are doing and what we can learn from each other, which is something I think we would really like to take that ahead. And I'd really like to thank everyone in the Edelgive team. The warmth with which you all put all this together is simply exemplary. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
I was just telling somebody, you all deserve to take off for 2 complete days and rest.
Thank you. Thank you. I think Renu, you want to say something, and then yeah.
मेरा नाम रेनू है और मैं आली ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से हूँ। मेरी उम्र 18 साल है, 27 साल का मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है। हम लोग यंग रहने वाले हैं। बस एक ही चीज़ मुझे कहनी थी, इट वॉज अ वंडरफुल प्रोग्राम कि एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट होने के लिए, एक दूसरे से सीखने के लिए, और बस एक लाइन में कि ये चमक ये धमक हम ही से है।
अरे हाँ।
थैंक यू।
You stole my line. I was going to say that. ये चमक की धमक हम ही से है। That's नहीं, सरकार से नहीं है। आप
Just last one.
हाँ,
मेरा नाम दिव्यांशु है। मैं बहराइच ज़िला है उत्तर प्रदेश में, वहाँ से हूँ। और पहली दफ़ा किसी ने अपनी इनसिक्योरिटी और वनरेबिलिटी के लिए सपोर्ट किया, बिकॉज ज़्यादातर लोग स्ट्रेंथ देख के आते हैं। और पहली दफ़ा एक कंफर्टेबल माहौल भी महसूस हुआ कि हम अपनी इनसिक्योरिटी वनरेबिलिटी आपके सामने रख सकते हैं और आप उसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं। Another thing that I've realized in the last 3 days is एक कल्चर जो बिल्ड हो रहा था हमारे सेक्टर में, स्पेशली हमारी जोग्राफी की अगर हम बात करें, कि ज़्यादातर CSOs या NGOs, CBOs या कम्युनिटी लीडर्स के काम को हॉक करते हैं, एंड लाइकवाइज द चेन गोज ऑन। NGOs के काम को फिर डोनर्स हॉक करते हैं, एंड देन इट गोज ऑन। But in the last 3 days, we have realized कि ये माहौल भी change हो रहा है, and this has been the breakthrough event for that, because वो frustration अंदर build हो रहा था, और अब जाके थोड़ा relax महसूस हो रहा है कि solidarity है। Thank you so much.
Thank you. लेकिन I'm so glad. तो कुछ चीजें मैं बोलूँगी या फिर हम लंच करेंगे, I promise you. I think solidarity sector में है, और I think जो फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो आली ने कल हम सबके साथ शेयर किया, जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एसोसिएट्स ने शेयर किया, जो आशिफ ने शेयर किया, सॉलिडारिटी सेक्टर में हमेशा से रही है। ये पिछले कुछ सालों में, ये मैं सिर्फ 10 साल से हूँ, पर उसी में मुझे ये दिख रहा है बहुत कि हमको लगता है कोलैबोरेशन सब पैसे के लिए होता है, राइट? तो ये एक तो हमको ये अपने दिमाग में इसका प्रायोरिटाइजेशन थोड़ा चेंज करना पड़ेगा। ऑल कोलैबोरेटिव्स नीड मनी, देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट। सो लेट्स नॉट आल्सो से कि पैसे से क्या होता है, स्पिरिट इज एवरीथिंग। स्पिरिट इज नॉट एवरीथिंग, इट नीड्स मनी, ट्रू, बट कोलैबोरेशन डजंट हैपन विद फंड्स। कोलैबोरेशन हैपन्स बिकॉज यू वांट टू एंगेज विद ईच अदर फॉर अ लार्जर पर्पस, एंड देन यू थिंक जो होगा करेंगे, लेकिन कोलैबोरेट करेंगे। हु वुड इमेजिन अ लॉयर्स कोलैबोरेशन? Okay, I mean, honestly, Renu, when you shared with me, why would a lawyer even think, I have to sit and engage with 100 others, or I have to listen to Renu Mishra of Ali and, do something? And why would you? So the why of these things is very important. And if there's something that honestly we need to reflect on is when we think of collaboration and partnering and conversation, we need to place funds where it is in the scheme of things. Okay, funding collaboratives are good because they pool money, but purpose kya hai? No, and that is why the finding of your tribe is very important, extremely important, because collaborations happen with tribes. Collaborations don't happen with money. Too many collaborations have been ruined because there was too much money. All right, too many. Globally, we have messed up countries. We have messed up nations. Africa is a destroyed nation because of bad collaboration with crazy money. We didn't know where to go. So let's also really place money with the importance where it is, in the place where it is. Collaboration here is important before it collaborates. That's इधर से शुरू, हाँ इधर से शुरू होता है, इसमें दिमाग भी लगता है, लेकिन why we are collaborating is very important. Not because अच्छा एक फंड आया है और उसका पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं और उसके लिए क्या करना है ये चार करते हैं, ये कभी कभी कंपल्शन हो जाता है. बट I hope that is very something that we all take back home together. And here I will speak a little bit to the gentleman that said, grow आपको दिख रहा है 3 साल का काम, okay? Grow हुआ because Edelgive है, right? Edelgive 15 साल से ये बात कर रहे हैं कि कोलैबोरेट करना है, कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग करना है, कोलैबोरेट करना है, कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग करना है. शुरू में हमको कोई पूछता भी नहीं था, कोई पूछता कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग क्या है, people used to drift off in those conversations that what are you talking about, because in like 10 years ago you all know it was even more siloized than that okay, per head cost is everything, and even very strictly looking at learning outcomes in a particular way. Everything was like this little thing before this whole money started flowing through CSR, and then more private philanthropy started coming in. But the 10-year journey of Edelgive, where nobody really, we were too small, we were too insignificant, and we all honestly हमको आता भी क्या है. And finally we are 15 years old. Okay, so let's also understand we are 15 years old today. Huh? Yeah, well-behaved teenagers. You can that at most you can say. But so again, it's very important to know that growth happened because an Edelgive was allowed to happen by people who set up Edelgive. So in your own institutions, how much collaboration, how much listening are we all allowing for as leaders is very. हमारे खुद के फाउंडेशन में क्या कोई बोल सकता है कि नहीं, ओके? और हमारी बगल की फाउंडेशन से हम बात कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, अरे वहां से तो शुरू करें, कॉन्फ्रेंस में आके तो हम बाद में भी मिल लेंगे, राइट? हमारी खुद के शहर में हम कितनों से बात करते हैं. So I mean, yes, you know, and we will really take back all this feedback and work on the edge model. But I am telling you, how many of us are talking to NGOs in our own city, for God's sake? Okay, so there is a lot for us to reflect. You know, we can talk about regulation, we can talk about funding, but I'm talking about the incredible intellectual wealth that rests within all the organizations. Is there even a concept that we want to work together? We want to change the, you know, education in Maharashtra and the country, but are we even looking at what's happening in our whole organization? So something for all of us to also go back with. So while I digress, Edelgive was allowed to happen. For 10 years, we were not really engaged with by anyone, and it happened bit by bit, small breakthroughs. The first breakthrough was Aparna, when Edelgive was 6 years old and talked about a gender collective with a Ford Foundation, who's a gender maestro. Them opening that little door, us walking in with stating that we don't know anything and we will run this, but they can give us intellectual capacity. When we don't know, say we don't know. That goes on a long way, because somebody else comes and says, okay, I know. So I would request, you know, the Ronak हमसे नहीं है. हाँ हमसे है, because करने वाले कौन है? So don't bring yourself down. It's not money is what money does. It facilitates, but our hearts and our brains are ours. All right, and that's our true wealth. And I hope we all keep meeting. The Grow Fund ends in its funding, but you are Grow. हम नहीं छोड़ने वाले. Okay, so please be engaged. We will see how we do things together. I cannot promise any financial, continuity without having that promise from someone else. So I am bound by that responsibility. So I know that you will all also understand that. जब हम शुरू किए थे और मैं एक फंडर के पास जा रही थी, I was asked again and again, how would you know the 100 will use it well? And I said, how would you know they would not? Okay, so fail हो जाएंगे ना. So are we also confident enough to stand in front of someone and say, हाँ fail ही तो हो जाएंगे? Okay, तो ये this ownership is everything. लोग पैसा प्रोजेक्ट में नहीं डालते, लोग पैसा people में डालते हैं. And you are amazing at what you do. We know, we've seen you, we've partnered with you. So with that, just take back this beautiful faith that we have in you, and I hope you find your own tribes, and I hope you run your own grows, and we can give you all the intelligence that we have to do that. And the last thing I want to say is this entire event has been put together by a team जिसमें से शायद 2 लोगों ने कभी इवेंट किया होगा, ओके बाकी सारे के सारे M&E के लोग हैं, अकाउंट्स के लोग हैं, प्रोग्राम्स के लोग हैं, and they've all, some people have just walked into the sector, they don't know anything, they've all put together this event with a lot of love and a lot of faith. So this has been a time where I was not available for many reasons, and this team has just rallied on and put this up almost in my absence, and I'm incredibly grateful because मैं कुछ भी बोलूँ mic पे काम उन्हीं से है, okay? So this is my thanks to the entire Edelgive team. I'm ever so grateful that we can. And to the different teams who have showed up. Already great thanks to the Tata Trust team. Again, for just, this panel was put up in half an hour this morning, okay? These young people on the stage have not really been winging it at panels. They just heard Apan and me talking, and they just showed up and shared whatever they've done with you, with a lot of vulnerability and I think butterflies. But thank you to these teams. Our partner in crime on everything, capacity building and social lens. Again, the briefs have been this erratic. चलो करते हैं. उधर से लेके पूरा structure बनाना, delivering all of this. Thank you to the whole team. Even Britspan, PWIT. I remember पहली बार मैंने बोला यार कोई data देके पैसा नहीं देता. That's what my response to PWIT was. They proved me wrong. They've been at it. As Britspan, they don't have to do it, but with NGOs, with funders. So thank you, Britspan. Thank you for everything that you do. To everyone who's helped us organize, there is Chase and Avian, and there's Altian, and all these little things that you see, whether it's the collateral, whether it's the lights, there are people who've just been here and they've been clapping for each one of you. Thank you, everyone. This is a deep felt gratitude from me and my team to all of you. Take back the joy. We are grateful to you, you're grateful to us, but let's all be really joyful that we could do this, and we hope to do more of this in the future. So thank you.